How deep is your love? How deep? What do you mean?
Hello my beautiful friends, in today's video I want to show you some old and famous DIY, if I can say it like this. So without further ado, let's explain you how to make these beautiful DIYs. So for the first DIY, I just printed some Tumblr pictures, and now using a marker I'm just going to contour a triangle, pretty easy, you know. And after that I'm going to cut it, and I'm going to use this picture as a template because I'm going to make more of these triangles, as you can see. And now I'm creating again triangles, but this time the opposite. And now using a notebook I'm just going to glue the pictures. And a thing that I want to explain you is that on the edges we are going to put only half of the triangle, because it is not enough space to add the whole triangle. But that's all you need to do for this DIY. I seriously don't know why people stop making these notebooks, because they look so pretty. And fun fact, I love to make this type of notebooks. I actually have more of these notebooks. I have another 2 notebooks with this DIY because I really love how they turn out, and they're so Tumblr. And after that I am just going to cut the plus, and before that I'm going to add another layer of glue combined with water. And as I was saying, I am going to cut the plus.
On a day, I deserve a pay. And don't forget the flowers every anniversary, cause if you treat me right.
So for the second, you are going to need a canvas and some oranges. I cut the oranges, and I left these oranges for 2 days before starting to make this DIY, because you want to be completely dry, to don't have any juice on your canvas. So I'm adding some acrylics, and I'm trying to create an ombre effect by adding more white on my color. And yes, I really love this DIY, and it was such a trend back then, and I actually find it so easy and really beautiful.
Love's a game, wanna play.
And that's all you need to do for this DIY. So easy and so cute. Yes, a keyboard. You probably know what I'm going to do right now. Using some washi tape, as you can see, I'm going to add some washi tape on my keyboard, because it's pretty boring and I don't like plain things. And using a marker, I'm just going to contour the letter, the specific letter. And I'm going to repeat the exact same thing for all the keyboard, and that's all you need to do. It's so easy and it's so Tumblr, seriously.
How deep is your love?
last but not least, I printed a Chanel sign, and I'm just going to cut it, and again I'm going to use a canvas, and I'm going to contour the Chanel sign to make the DIY easier. And seriously, I really love this video, and if you want to see more recreation, don't hesitate to comment down below, because I will make more of this. And if you have ideas, again, don't hesitate to comment down below. And using a permanent marker on my DIY, I'm just going to color the Chanel sign. And I'm using a metallic marker which gives a metallic effect on my canvas. And to make this more beautiful, I'm just tracing some lines, you know, to make a drop effect. And this DIY is seriously so easy, and it will take you less than 10 minutes.
Can see but you when you dance, dance, dance. Feel the good creeping up on you, so just dance, dance, dance. Come on, all those things I shouldn't do, but you dance, dance, dance. And ain't nobody leaving soon, so keep dancing. I can't stop the feeling, so just dance, dance, dance. So just dance.
So that's all for today. I really hope you guys liked this video. If you did, don't forget to comment down below, subscribe for more videos, and give it a thumbs up. And I'm going to see you next Saturday. Bye guys, have an amazing week.